Ever run out of storage right when you're about to record something important? Like your phone says storage almost full at the worst possible moment? Yeah, super annoying, right? Well, what if I told you there's a super simple way to make your Samsung phone automatically save all photos and videos straight to your SD card? Let me show you. It literally takes less than a minute. All right, so first things first, grab your Samsung phone. Step number 1, open your camera app, just like you normally would when you want to take a photo or record a video. Now look at the corner of your screen and tap the settings icon. It's the little gear symbol. Once you're inside the camera settings, scroll down a bit. Don't rush, just scroll until you find an option called Storage Location. Found it? Nice. Now just tap on it and you'll see two options, internal storage and SD card. All you need to do is switch it from internal storage to SD card. That's it. Seriously, you're done. From now on, every time you take a photo or record a video, your Samsung phone will automatically save it to your SD card. That means your internal storage won't fill up so quickly anymore. So next time someone complains about their Samsung storage being full, you already know the trick. Try it now before your next photo or video, and thank yourself later when you never see that annoying storage almost full message again.